What's up, all my goons and goblins? It's Halloween edition. Oh, hey guys, how are you? Today we're gonna do really nothing, at least something like that, you know. Did you eat your turtle nuggets?
What is happening?
Do the intro, Tom. You do it, just do it. Action.
Welcome to the day in the life. I'm Sean Roach, operator of Shine Tech Motor Spa.
What's up, guys? It's Sean from Winterton Warriors, and we're gonna do a quick day in the life today before we go to SEMA, Vegas SEMA. It's a little crazy. We got some vinyl going on, PPF, ceramic coating, window tint, and we're just trying to get everything done because all of us are going collectively to Vegas for SEMA and the Autofilm Mastery Growth Conference on Halloween Day. So that's exciting. But in the meantime, we got lights going out in the shop left and right. We bought these lights about 4 years ago. They're just bam, 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 bam. We got 7 of them just going out like wildfire. But believe it or not, the company on Amazon is warrantying them and they're sending us all 7 new ones. So props to them. Link in the description down below for those lights. Since they honor the warranty, definitely a light you would want to purchase. We're doing 20% on this Jetta. I haven't done one of these in a while. Actually, one of the first videos I ever made was on a Volkswagen Jetta with the striped shirt on. OG Sean Boogie. It's very dark over here. So let's talk about what we're gonna be doing in Vegas. Of course, we got SEMA, and like I just said before, the Autofilm Mastery Growth Conference. Sales are gonna be closed by the time this video is posted, so it's gonna be some of the top industry experts talking about the best way to advance your skills in business. There's gonna be no hands-on service training. It's gonna be all business. It's gonna be really cool. Put this other quarter glass window on, put the dryer sheet on. I'm gonna cut some patterns out for Tom over there on that Lexus LC500. You eating my cookie? Never know with that guy. Leave a cookie out in the open, he might eat it. Gotta get a heat gun over here. I'm not working in my usual area. Let's go cut some patterns. There's animal hair all in the bottom of this. That's why I sprayed it already. I feel like a peeping Tom is watching me. So this is gonna get done. Just feel it with your hand, make sure there's no contaminants on it, and just spray it. It's like blood stains on this material. You got something you know. Sniffing that cake, can you feel the home? Jason, you got something in your nose. These Volkswagen Jettas, I like to prime the sides with a little soapy water because they tend to be tight. Pulled the gaskets out already, so we're gonna bottom load. Spray, squeegee, spray. Bottom load, you got to bottom load, don't you know bottom load? I hit a bunch of fake spiders in the bathroom, she's freaking out right now. This girl she took a bowl of water and poured it in the shower, because I do that to her all the time, but she took a big bowl from the kitchen, and like when I was in there, I knew she was coming too. Yeah. So as she approached with that bowl, I took the shower head off the wall. Oh my God. And then I turned it on cold, and I was just like, the whole bathroom was soaked everywhere. God. The walls, the mirror, her makeup, everything. And then I was like, all right, I won. Put the shower thing up, and she still came up and dumped it on me. And then I did it again. Then she had to clean it all up. Good times. Can't trick the trickster. Nice and tight gap. Those gaps are tighter than Kanye West right now. Oh yeah, the next hands-on training class in December 2022. Check the link down below. Get yourself in there. We hired a new detailer. His name is Jason. He just started yesterday. We have him claying glass because he thinks that's what you're supposed to do. It's been raining for how many days consecutively now? 5? 3? It really takes a toll on you mentally. It's like an airplane. Yeah, you kind of scared me this morning when I walked in there. I was like, oh, spooky season. Every time I do a Jetta, you gotta worry about this gap back here. Because from the inside, you can't really see it because it's hidden by this gasket on the back. This day in the life is gonna be short and sweet. It's gonna be the end of the season, right? Or as Dean would say, it's gonna be the end of the season, eh? Sorry. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's Halloween, man. Stay in character. Like a master. I was going for the kill. Good enough. Ooh. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, spray, squeegee spray. Last door, then we do the back window, then we get onto some vinyl work. Time travel capabilities are exponential this time of the year. You ever see those TikToks or Instagrams of a guy and he goes up to people and he's like, can you just hold my phone real quick? I want to record a video for my dad. And he's like, he shoots, he kills, he dies.
I've definitely seen that one.
You ever seen that? And you ever see the Home Depot one? The guy records them and he like zooms in and everything.
Excuse me. Could you just hold my phone real quick? I'm gonna send my mom a video.
Okay.
He shoots, he scores, he dies.
Social media is wild. Everyone, make sure you follow Window Tint Warriors on TikTok. Tickety tock, tickety tock. Put the handle right here. Window_tint_warriors. Is that it? Or just type in Window Tint Warriors. Same thing. Got him. Definitely need to replace this. Time to replace the cutting strip. Oh, the headrests don't come out. That's beautiful. There's so much hair on the bottom of this. So many things to do. Definitely gonna get hair in this install. There's no way around that. Battery died in the camera. Ernie had to swap it out. We got this piece on already. Crossing my toes for this hair not to get in the back window. Panels are on already. Get onto the vinyl work. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Very low energy today. It's the weather. Ooh. The screws on the bottom. On the bottom of the doors of the Jettas, if you don't know already, there's this little plastic bolt that you have to twist. Obviously when you take it off and put it back on, line it up with the hole. Come over to my reverse osmosis water filtration sediment removal carbon pre-filter with 2 carbon pre-filter water. It's actually pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. All right, it's ready for the next car. We started with some vinyl work.